top of Mount Everest, to the plains of the Serengeti, from the land creatures to the sea creatures, from the sunrise till the sunset. Nature has always been part of our lifestyle. The forests and the ocean. We all depend on the forest. From the fresh air we breathe, from the clear water we drink, it all comes within the forest. But human population increases day after day, which leads us to what's so-called deforestation. And nowadays, humans cut down trees each and everywhere without thinking of the future generation. Future generation will never be able to see the rhinoceros. Rhinos are being killed by poachers around the world and take their homes and leave the rhinos die and be eaten by vultures. We should always try to keep and to protect the remaining rhinoceros in this world. Some of the water we drink comes from the ocean, yet the ocean we have transferred it into plastic trash. We throw bottles of plastic on the ocean without understanding what's inside the ocean, without understanding that there are some creatures living in this ocean. Some fish die, and when they die, nothing is going to replace the fish within the ocean. And someday we just come into the realization that there's no more fish in the ocean. The poachers kill lots of rhinos. Trash in the ocean kills small fish and big fish. Deforestation leads to the plains of the areas, no more trees, loss of the forests in this amazing world. Sir David Attenborough once said, "Forests are the fundamental components of our planet's recovery. They are the best technology nature has for locking away the carbon, and they are centuries of biodiversity. The wider and the more diverse forests are, the more effective they are at drawing carbon from the atmosphere. We must immediately halt deforestation everywhere on this earth. We should all cherish the natural world because we are part of it and we both depend on the nature."